There are many ways to get an all-on-X smile. At Smile Now, we feel there's really only one way, the digital way. Digital technology allows us to make a faster, more reliable, more efficient product that will stand the test of time. Come see how we use this technology to get our patients the best results. So the journey starts by coming into our office for the complimentary consultation. In this consultation, the very first step is meeting people at the front desk and going over your medical and dental history with our forms. Once you're done your forms, one of the assistants will grab you to take your records. The first and probably most important records that we take is our CBCT. Our cone beam CT allows us to get a good visual image of your entire head, your jaw joints, your sinuses, your bone, and where your tissues are at. Next is the photo room. This is where we take photos of yourself so we're better able to see how you smile, where you smile to, and where the teeth should fit in your smile. After that, we'll have you sit down in one of our ops, and in the op, we will take a digital bite. So we'll use our shining 3D scanner to get your upper and lower teeth and how they fit together. This allows us the basis for where the new teeth should fit in your smile. Once the doctor has reviewed the records, he sits down with the patient and discusses their treatment in detail, going over the pros and cons and different options that they may have. Once you have completed the consultation with the doctor, a financial coordinator will come and take you to their office to discuss your options, and that completes the first part of our journey. Once you've signed on for this procedure, the next step is to take all those records and digitally plan your smile. And once that smile is created and you've agreed to it, we go in to perform the surgery. Once we've finished with your surgery, the next step is giving the lab time to make your teeth. That takes anywhere between 2 and 3 hours. And while you're waiting, we take you to our healing room. And in this room, we give you ice, give you some medication, and allow you to relax in a calm, comfortable atmosphere. While the patient is recovering from surgery, we are taking the impressions that we took and designing their teeth. Once the design's done, we send it into this printer and we'll actually print them their temporaries. Once the temporary teeth are fabricated, we'll put them into the patient's mouth. And that concludes the first day of treatment for the patient. At 4 months' time, we bring the patient in for x-rays and testing. And if all the implants have healed, the process begins for final impressions and a zirconia bridge. Once you've received your final teeth, we'll see you for routine checks every year to make sure that these teeth last a very long time. If you have any more questions about Smile Now, feel free to give us a call or email us. If you enjoyed this content, check out our YouTube page to see more about Smile Now.